In the previous class, we have learned about the Mauryans. In that, we have learned about Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya's Arthashastra, Megasthenes Indica, and also some important references. And also, we have learned about Ashoka also. So today, let us learn about Buddhism and Ashoka, and also Ashoka's inscriptions and economic and administrative and social system. Also, economic system during the Mauryan period, and also the art and architecture of Mauryan period in this session. So, having important images regarding these topics and the descriptive note regarding these topics. Ashoka is called as the father of inscriptions. Till today, his inscription are the first inscription to be read. In 1837 CE, a British officer, James Prinsep, deciphered Ashoka's inscription for the first time. In all the inscription, instead of his name, his titles, Devanama Priya and Priyadarshi were used. Charles Breeden, a British engineer, read an inscription at Maski of Raichur in 1915 CE. In this inscription, Devanama Priya, Priyadarshi, Ashoka reference appears for the first time. Based on this, it was declared that Devanama Priya and Priyadarshi are the same. Later in other inscription, the name Ashoka appears. Ashoka inscription are found in Brahmagiri of Chitradurga district of Karnataka. The symbol depicted in the pillar of Saranath is used the national emblem of India. Ashoka's inscription are available at 45 places across Indian subcontinent and Afghanistan with their 181 version. In most of the parts of Maurya Empire, the inscriptions are in Brahmi script or Prakrit script. Some of the inscriptions in the northwest are in Aramaic language and Kharoshti language. In Afghanistan, they are in Aramaic and Greek scripts. They are in Brahmi script. Mauryan economy. There are evidences which prove that the lake and canal system of irrigation was good during Mauryan period. Pushyagupta, a governor during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, had built Sudarshan Sarovar, a dam in Junagadh of Gujarat. An officer named Tushaspa during the reign of Ashoka built the canal system of this dam. Megasthenes has recorded the existence of irrigation canals. The government was managing the agricultural sector. Prisoners of war and slaves were engaged in agricultural activity. Land tax was the main source of revenue for the state. A farmer was expected to pay 1/4 of his income as tax to the state. Officers named Samaharta and Sannidatta were in charge of the tax collection and were also the custodians of the royal treasury. The technology of producing metal alloys had evolved during the reign of Mauryas. As a result, urban-based artifacts production and their marketing found place in the economy of Mauryas along with agriculture. There were major roads connecting the different parts of the empire from Pataliputra, the capital city of Maurya. A major road to Nepal passing through Vaishali and Champaranya from Pataliputra were also there. A highway to Takshashila from Kaushambi passing through the present Delhi and Punjab were also there. Merchants were transporting goods on these roads to sell within and outside the empire. Kachu, marked silver coins were in circulation in Maurya kingdom. This period is marked as the second phase of urbanization. If you take the social system was evolving out of the Varna-based caste system of Vedic period. During this period, peoples born in higher Varna could migrate to another Varna and gain better social acceptance and respect. There were few such openings for this mobility. Brahmana and Kshatriya could interchange their status. Though the society was divided into 4 Varna, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, several castes were also present. Megasthenes records the presence of 7 castes in Mauryan society in his Indica. The Buddhist source also confirmed the existence of caste, though these castes were less rigid than in later periods. Caste system had started assuming rigidity during Maurya period itself. Indica does not record the existence of slaves and dasas in Mauryan society. So though slavery was in practice during Mauryan rule, it was less harsh than the slavery of Greek and Roman society. Shudras, the last in the Varna system, were employed as agricultural laborers and domestic help. If you take the administrative system, Mauryan's empire had centralized administrative system. The power was concentrated in the hands of the king. Hence, a huge number of officials, unseen before, were appointed to run the administration. There was a strong espionage network. Minister, priest, prince and generals were the higher subordinates of the king. The empire was divided into provinces. These were ruled by either princes or relatives of the king's family. Takshashila, Ujjain, Dhauli, Suvarnagiri and Girnar are the regional administrative centers. Officials like Rujuka, Justice Officer, Yukta, Information Recording Officer and others were there. The administration of Pataliputra was done by a group of 6 committees consisting of 30 officials. Now let us go to the art and architecture. The contribution of Mauryas to art and architecture is of great significance. Megasthenes Indica records the grandeur of Mauryan's empire in Pataliputra. The wooden ruins of the palace and the fort around the palace in Pataliputra have been found during excavation. During the period of Ashoka, many stupas were built and pillars were erected. Among all the stupas that are found, the stupa of Sanchi is the biggest. Around 30 pillars have been found and all of them are polished and made smooth. Our national emblem of our 4-headed lion is taken from the Ashoka pillar of Saranath. Apart from this, Ashoka built 3 rock-cut caves at Barbar Hill. His son Dasharatha built 3 more rock-cut caves at Nagaruni Hills. These caves are also important creations of Mauryan period. So dear children, we have learnt about the Mauryas, about the Buddhism and about Ashoka and Buddhism, Ashoka's inscriptions, economic system during Mauryan period, social system, administrative system, art and architecture, and also about Kalinga war and all in the previous classes. Please go through it. Thank you for watching this video.